how does the pivot arc spray system differentiate itself from other systems that may currently be on the market, and what makes that a necessity for potential users?
The difference is with the pivot arc, the front end of the torch pivots plus or minus 90 degrees. So the main body of the torch stays stationary and the cables going into it stay stationary. So the front part of it, which is the contact tips, the wire, the compressed air, and the actual arc occurs while it's moving plus or minus 90 degrees. The reason that's so important is with these arc spray units with the bigger wire, it's very difficult to move the torch plus or minus 90 degrees because you have all this cable drag. And if you're doing it manually and have a person trying to do it, it gets to be a real problem. It gets in the way. You get interference with the spray. You get bad angles when you're spraying, and you get jamming of the wire, just a bunch of problems like that where the pivot arc eliminates all that. Additionally, the pivot arc goes onto a robot and becomes the seventh axis. So you have all these different angles and motions and directions you can move the entire torch. And at the same time, you got those last two, the plus or minus 90 degrees I'm calling two. It's really just one additional axis where it's going plus or minus 90 degrees. So I got to tell you, I'm really excited about this pivot arc technology. I've been working with it now 5-6 years, and I see the future with it. This is the future of thermal spray. If you'd like to talk a little bit more about it, give us a call at 724-229-5791. Drop in the email, bob@thermalspraydepot.com. I have many layers I can go into this with you and be glad to share it with you.